Okay, good evening. Nandito po tayo sa bahay ng ating bagong franchisee po. And by the way, I am Roland Ranara, the marketing manager of the company. And ngayon po, ipapakilala namin sa inyo ang ating bagong provincial depot ng atang lugar ng Nueva Ecija. Tama. So sila po, si Sir Jerry po. Papakilala po kayo, sir.
Good evening sa ating lahat. I am Gerardo Castillo. My nickname is Jerry, and we are proud to be a distributor of
Double A
Enterprise. And again, we are from Gapan, Nueva Ecija.
At si ma'am, ang kanya na pong
Hello, good evening. Ako naman si Erlinda Castillo. Natutuwa ako na kami ay naging isang kapamilya ng
Double A.
At maging distributor.
At naging provincial distributor ng
kumpanya.
ng kumpanya na ito.
Okay. Sir, bago lahat muna again, so kamusta po yung naging orientation natin kanina? At salamat po at kayo po yung naglaan ng oras para umattend kanina. So kamusta naman po ang overall orientation natin?
First of all, I would like, of course, to thank the facilitator. And it was all begin with browsing my Facebook, and I browsed the advertisement of Double A that there will be a seminar. So from that time, it started my excitement to attend, so that I will know the pros and cons or the ways within which to manage a franchisee. So the way they carry the lecture, it was a very comprehensive one, clearly to understand at applicable sa gusto mong pasuking hanap buhay. Na naunawa namin na hindi mo kailangan ng malaking pera o halaga para magsimula ka ng isang maliit na negosyo. At lahat naman, alam naman natin na lahat ng malaki negosyo ay nagsisimula sa maliit.
Tama.
So, we are very thankful for the facilitator, especially kay Roland and kay Angelito. Talaga clearly explain yung mga pointers na binigay nila sa amin.
Thank you. So, kamusta naman po? Yung nagpa-food kasi dito po sa ating orientation, tuwing nagaganap po kami ng orientation, nagpapa-food taste kami. So far, kamusta naman po yung mga natikman yung products ng ating company?
If I will rate the taste of the product, the quality, and the texture of the product, well, I can give it mga 9 points. Ayoko naman gawing 10 kasi pagka 10, ano pa i-improve mo, nasa itaas ka na.
Tama po.
So that's why I gave 9 para naman still meron ka pang gusto improvement na magagawa. So okay yung taste niya, from the meat to the price to the drinks. So okay, at sa tingin ko, kaya kami we don't hesitate na maging provincial distributor. I am very positive na lahat ng produkto nito ay magpa-apply. Hindi naman fly away, magpa-apply talaga. At suited ito for the targeted consumers or customers. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.